Story of a Procrastinator. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Tom who had big dreams and goals. He wanted to be a successful entrepreneur and make a difference in the world. However, he had a problem. He was a chronic procrastinator. Tom would often delay important tasks and instead spend hours on his phone or watching TV. He knew that he needed to change his habits, but he couldn't seem to break out of his procrastination cycle. One day, Tom stumbled upon a video about overcoming procrastination. The video was filled with practical tips and strategies to help people like him get things done. Tom was inspired and decided to give it a try. The first thing Tom did was to create a to-do list for the day. He wrote down all the tasks he needed to complete, including the most important ones. Then, he prioritized them based on their importance and urgency. Next, Tom set a timer for each task. He gave himself a certain amount of time to complete each task, and he made sure to stick to it. He also turned off his phone and eliminated any other distractions. As he worked through his to-do list, Tom felt a sense of accomplishment with each task he completed. He was amazed at how much he could accomplish in just a few hours when he was focused and motivated. Tom also started using the Pomodoro technique, which involves working for a set amount of time, usually 25 minutes, and then taking a short break. This helped him stay focused and avoid burnout. Finally, Tom realized that he needed to change his mindset. He started to view procrastination as a habit that he could break, rather than a character flaw. He also reminded himself of his goals and why he wanted to achieve them. As time went on, Tom became more and more productive. He was able to complete tasks quickly and efficiently, and he had more time to pursue his passions and hobbies. He even started his own business, which was something he never thought he could do before. Tom's story is a reminder that procrastination is a habit that can be overcome. With the right tools and strategies, anyone can become more productive and achieve their goals. So, if you're struggling with procrastination, don't give up. There's always a way forward. Thanks for watching. And subscribe.